I have to be honest. Lately, I feel like I'm learning a completely new language. And I'm not talking about Spanish or French or German. I'm talking about technology. I'm talking about online business. I'm talking about all these words I keep hearing that I feel like I should understand, but I don't. Every single day, I seem to run into words and phrases that leave me sitting there thinking, what in the world does that even mean? CTR, but I did learn that that means click-through rate. Algorithms, digital products, funnels, affiliate links, master resale rights, landing pages, email lists, automation. And every time I think I'm starting to understand one thing, I run headfirst into 5 more things I don't understand. Sometimes it honestly feels like my brain hurts. And I catch myself wondering, how do people learn all of this? Did everybody else get handed some instruction manual that I somehow missed? Because I'm over here feeling like I'm trying to decode another language. And I have to admit, it can feel frustrating, especially at 67 years old. There are moments when I wonder, am I trying to learn too much? Am I too late to understand all of this? Should I have started years ago? But then I remind myself of something important. Every single person who understands these things now started out not understanding them. At some point, every expert was a beginner. And right now, I am very much a beginner. And honestly, some days I feel like my brain hurts. But I'm still here, still learning, still trying, still refusing to believe that learning stops just because you get older. So maybe I don't understand all of this yet, but I'm working on it. One confusing word at a time. And who knows, maybe eventually this new language will start making sense. One can hope, right?